Hi guys, it's me, Pop Train here. Just wanted to say, show you guys some stuff. Okay, so some colors that should be secret, that are secret. When you go here, my color is normally there. If you click here again, click down, we're just on the, right there. You'll get pretty good stuff. You can definitely tell it's not white. White's like lighter. I don't know. I could get the color of Best Dressed. I'll show you guys. Okay, be right back with it. Okay, guys, we're back and playing Best Dressed. Yeah, I know I didn't. I wasn't even in here. So, secret colors we're gonna show. Dress up the funniest. Well, we're gonna try to dress up. Yeah, it's pink, not. Oops. I'm gonna make my wolf pretty weird. That's pretty. Her eyes. Googly eyes, probably that. Do you think that will let us it? Not yet. We're wearing pink. I think we look hilarious. Oh, Sid. La la. Put it up your face. People are going crazy. People are going crazy. Ah, me too. Look at me. I'm kidding. It's funny. I wonder who gets first. The panda. I got second place. Whoa. I probably got to get a good amount of money. 150. Wow. The winner did not vote. Wow, that's pretty sad. I should have voted. Dress up the most like a dancer. I don't know how to dress like a dancer. Let's change my eyes back. Let's put a party hat on. And diamond ring, maybe turn a color to light blue. Like a blue face and shade of color. Do I look like I dance? Yeah, you much do. Do I look like I party? Oh yeah, don't you? I look like a dancer, I guess. Hey, first place. Woohoo, that's awesome. Did you know 2014 is almost over? It's almost 2015. So I wonder what Animal Jam's going to be doing this year to celebrate.
Are you there now?
Dress up the hippiest. Hippies have long beards, so. It's a beard. There we go. I'm a hippie. Black, probably. Yeah. Hippies are pretty weird. What did it always be? Here, I'm pretty sure hippie would be like. Diamond. Hippies are pretty weird. They just shine. They just go. I guess so. I'm not a hippie, so I wouldn't understand that. I'd probably be like, what? I wish I had good clothes. I do. That is not a hippie. I guess I'll go for you. You look so hilarious. That little panda. I'm such a hippie. There's only 1, 2, 3 faces left. Lol, I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna be like, la 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 laugh, laugh. You say you're just like a hippie. I guess. Oh wow, second place. He's definitely first, I know. I got 75, so whatever. Next one. The brightest. This is how you guys dress up the brightest. And I'm pretty sure people take this. Wait. See you guys back. Okay, back. So what you do is you make yourself completely yellow with different shades. There's one shade of yellow, another shade of yellow. That's how you do bright. You put something cute on to make the fans love you. Make yourself bright. Really bright. That makes you look like you're really, really bright. So that's you, bright person. You can be as bright as you want. Just make sure you keep it yellow. And have one that kind of matching item. But you want to keep yourself yellow, like bright. Vote for someone you think doesn't look that bright. That is me right there. Wow. We look so alike. We probably... Oh, wow, that little girl. Oh, I got... What? I guess not, guys. That was pretty selfish of that little person. Stay in the middle, be an Arctic Wolf, and copy me. Lol. I like all gamers. For subscribers, please get more people. It's pretty sad and lonely without more subscribers. Lol. Dress up the cleanest. When you dress up clean, you wanna do all white. Find something that's nice up front. Those are cute. There's gonna be a lot of stuff nice, so you guys wanna make sure you're dressing up really clean. Really clean with maybe a pink skirt on. Keep your colors pretty. Then for your coat, make it nice and blue to make you stand out. Maybe put a flower bracelet on. Show yourself off. That's how we do. That's how you show yourself off. If that person copied me again, I'm lolling so hard. Everybody dressed up weird. I look pretty clean. Oh. Seriously, this dude's taking the lead of me. I'm off. Yeah, I guess that's it for today, guys. That's all I'll do.